Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Emma Vogt on the pros and cons of cedar trees in a farm and ranch operation.
Right now, Emma is back with a dish that is perfect for a potluck.
Well, you may have an event coming up and you might need a dish to take to that event. We have a recipe for you. Joining me now with more on this is Emma Vogt with CommonGround. Emma is from the Napier area. How are you today?
I'm doing great, John. I'd like to show you guys how I make my grape salad. It's an easy one to whip up if you need something for a community event. It's great for kids and pretty simple. First, I'll take 80 ounces of cream cheese. I've just had it at room temp so it will blend together better. I'll add that to my bowl, and I just use the bowl that I'm going to take to the event. And then I'll take a cup of sour cream, or just an 8-ounce container, and scoop that all out into the bowl. And then with my hand mixer, I'll just mix it till it's nice and smooth. And then once it's kind of just a nice smooth consistency, I'll add half a cup of regular sugar, and then 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. And I'll just make sure that that mixes all well together. And then next, I'll just add 2 pounds of red and green grapes. And if you only have one, that'll work just fine. We had a nice variety at the grocery store.
That really is a nice, colorful salad.
It is. It really is. And you know, I have little ones, and when we go to things, I have a really picky eater. And this is something that's easy to scoop up, and you know, if you've got real little ones, you can half the grapes, quarter them. You can either put it in the fridge, or if you're going right to the event, just add some brown sugar.
Okay, so again, you added some brown sugar on the top to kind of add a little garnish for the end, and just to kind of mix it in a little bit too. So Emma, that looks really good.
And it's something that you can usually have all the ingredients for. It makes my life a lot easier.
Easy is good. That's what we look for. All right. Well, thank you, Emma, for sharing that recipe with us today.